Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to unlock your iPhone when you see iPhone unavailable, and try again in 1 hour on the screen. Method 1. Unlock iPhone via Forget Passcode option. After the iPhone unavailable screen appears, you can see the Forget Passcode option in the lower right corner. Click on it. You will then be prompted to reset your iPhone. After entering the Apple ID password as required, the data on this iPhone will be erased, including the original password lock. Method 2. Unlock iPhone via iTunes. First, connect iPhone to PC, then put it into recovery mode. iTunes will pop up a message. It will say your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. You will see two buttons: Update, Restore. Click Restore iPhone. This will erase all data. Reinstall a fresh version of iOS. Bring the device back to factory settings, including screen lock. Method 3. Unlock iPhone via Find My iPhone. Sign in to iCloud, then scroll down and click the Find My iPhone feature. Next, hit on the All Devices option and select the locked iPhone. Click Erase iPhone option to unlock your iPhone. Method 4. Use one-click unlock tool. If you can't remember your Apple ID password, you can try using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. This multifunctional iOS unlocking tool can help users unlock disabled or unavailable iPhones and iPads without entering the passcode. Step 1. Connect the iPhone to the computer. Then choose Unlock iOS screen and click the Start button to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Please follow the instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Click on the Next button when you put your iPhone into recovery mode successfully. Step 3. After confirming that the device information is correct, click to start downloading the firmware package. While waiting for downloading, please do not disconnect your phone from your computer. When the firmware package is downloaded, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to unlock your iPhone. This process will not take too much time. When your password or Face ID was removed, all the data and content on your iPhone will be erased, and you can reset your iPhone. That's it. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more useful tutorials.